everybody, I'm Corinne Blackstone and I'm super excited for today's video. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of the Thankful For You mystery box. Now, if you missed out on it, I'm super sorry, but make sure that you follow me on all my social media channels because I announce my mystery boxes there. So you won't want to miss out. You can find them all over the place. I will link everything down below. But also, if you missed out on the mystery box, I'll link all the vinyl that we used down below and the blanks that are available, but not everything is because some of these are going to be box exclusives, as well as the SVGs and designs that are included. Those are box exclusives too. So I'm sorry about that, but I really wanted to make this box extra special because you guys mean the world to me. I wouldn't be able to do what I do for a job if it weren't for you guys. So thank you so much, and this box is to say thank you to you. So let's get started. I'm super excited to show you everything that you get in the Thankful For You mystery box. The first thing that we're going to go over is some of the HTV. So the first piece of HTV that we have here is the Caesar Easy Weed in green olive in a 12 by 12 sheet. I love this color for fall and for Thanksgiving. I think it's beautiful, but it can also really work for Christmas as well. And I think you guys are going to have some leftovers, so you'll be able to make even more projects as you go with these different HTV products. So that is one of my favorite colors. I wanted to really make sure to include that for you guys because it's just such a pretty, pretty color. One of the other colors that I absolutely love, 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 and I gave you a nice big sheet of this one, is the Caesar Easy Weed Mocha. This, again, is a beautiful color for fall, but I feel like you could use it anytime. But I love the Easy Weed brand. I think it's super fun, super easy to work with, and I just think it's such a good color. I can't wait to show you guys what we're going to make with these. You guys will probably see if you've downloaded the SVGs, you'll get an idea of what we're going to use to make all of our parts. So I'm super excited for that one. And then I had to absolutely include some electric. If you guys have not tried Caesar Electric, oh, it is chef's kiss, my friends. This is one of the most beautiful vinyl products that I've ever seen for HTV. I love the shine on it. I love the finish, and it's really nice. It cuts super easy, weeds really easy, and applies really simply too. There's not a lot of extra work that needs to go into this vinyl, which I love. If I don't have to think too much when working with a different HTV versus another brand, I am into it. But this is the copper color, and I think this copper is stunning. I really debated between the copper and the orange, so if you haven't seen the orange, check that one out as well. But I really think the copper gives me the vibes and the aesthetic of our box. The next type of HTV that I included is Caesar Strip Flock Pro. That is a mouthful, but I love this type of HTV. If you haven't worked with it before, it is really, really fun. It's going to feel very thick and heavy when you get it in your box, and I included 4 different colors because I feel like this is a product that people don't use enough or don't realize how fun it is. It's kind of got a fuzzy feeling to it. It's really, really cute. I love putting this on onesies because babies love the feel of it. I love the feel of it, but we're going to be using this on the apron, and I'm so excited to show you. So we have yellow, orange, red, and burgundy. So I included 4 sheets of strip flock for you. You're going to have plenty left over to be able to do some other projects with this, and hopefully if you haven't fallen in love with Strip Flock Pro, you will after this because I absolutely love it. It's super easy to cut, really easy to apply. You can layer it. Again, chef's kiss, amazing. Love it. Would not have traded it for the world. So then we do have some adhesive vinyl as well for you guys. So I'm going to show you one of my personal favorites that I'm so excited we were able to include. And I just want to make sure I give you the right name of this. So this is Starcraft Metallic Brushed Copper. And the one thing that I love about this brushed copper is it's a little bit of a brighter color than the electric copper. So I feel like this is more of like a bright copper penny, where the electric is more of like a duller copper penny, but still absolutely beautiful. And I love the brushed look of this. This is an easy product to work with as well. It cuts and weeds beautifully, and Starcraft did a really nice job with this color. So I think this is going to be very, very pretty for your Thanksgiving table. The next thing that we included is a StarCraft Magic Deceit in orange. Listen, you guys watch me enough to know I love anything that glitters and sparkles, so of course I had to include some. And this is just such a nice color. I absolutely love the small sparkles in this. There's two different types of StarCraft Magic. There's Deceit that has these little sparkles, and then there's also one called Hoax Hollow that has larger sparkles. For what we're doing with this, I wanted the smaller sparkles because that way we would see a lot more glitter, but you can really use this on lots of things. It's beautiful out in the sunshine, great for car decals. Absolutely love this stuff. Then I also wanted to include some of the Avery permanent vinyl. This is Battleship Gray, and I think this is a really nice gray. It's dark, but it's not too dark. And I just think that the Avery is kind of slept on. I feel like people don't realize it exists yet, or they haven't tried it. So this is a great opportunity to give the Avery a shot. They have a ton of colors, lots to choose from, and I really like this adhesive vinyl. This is a permanent vinyl, and it is nice and thin. It's easy to work with, and it cuts and weeds really, really well. And the next piece of adhesive vinyl that we have is a little harder to see, but this is the etched vinyl from Style Tech. This is their white, and what I love about this is that you can use this on lots of different things to make a lot of different kind of looks. So you can use this on the acrylic blanks, you can use this actually over other colors of vinyl to really kind of give it a frosted look. So there's a lot that you can do with this, and I'm excited to show you some of the things that we're gonna do. I love this vinyl, and it's really fun to play with. And again, it's one that I think people don't realize that we carry here at 143 Vinyl, so I think that you're gonna really like it. Now, of course, I had to make sure to include some transfer tape, and I am loving the Caesar transfer tape right now. This is a really nice tape, and I feel like this one has a nice tack to it, especially for using with some of the more specialty vinyls like the metallics. I think this works beautifully. This one does have a backing, and I included 2 sheets for you guys, so we have plenty in case we need it, but there's also going to be some left over so that you guys are going to have plenty to work with. And then the last thing that isn't necessarily a blank, but we are going to use it as a blank, is some cardstock. This is in the color Craft, and I thought this would be really pretty, kind of a rustic color to use for the design that we're going to do. This does come with an SVG for it, actually 2, and we're going to do some writing with our CRICUT, so I'm really excited to show you how to do this. You're going to get 4 sheets of this, so you're going to have plenty to do, to play with, and practice with. So this is going to be a really, really fun one, and I can't wait to show you guys all the cool stuff. Now, we're on to the blanks. And one thing I want you guys to know is I curated these blanks specifically because I wanted 2 options. If you have a sublimation printer, you can use these blanks. But if you don't, you can still use these blanks. All the blanks can be sublimated on, but you can also use them with HTV or adhesive vinyl, and I'll kind of let you know which one's which. I am so excited. We have a couple exclusive items to the box that you can only get in the box, and I'll show you those ones last. But we'll start right here at the top where we have a 4x6 rectangle. This is just a piece of acrylic, and we're going to show you guys how to do a couple things on here. You can etch this, you can sublimate on it, you can put vinyl on it, tons and tons of options. So I'm going to show you a couple things that we can do with this and how you can kind of work with it in different ways to make it a little bit special for your Thanksgiving celebration. This is a really nice product. This is something that's carried on the site all the time. So if you want one, didn't get one, you can absolutely get this on the website. The next thing that I'm going to show you is a fun magnet. Now this is a little 2x3 magnet, and I thought this was such a cute idea. I feel like this magnet could be used for lots of things, but again, you can sublimate on it or use adhesive vinyl. So I'm going to show you the 2 things that we can do with this, and it's super cute, and what I love is it can go obviously either way, and then it has a little magnet on the back. So this is a really, really fun little magnet that I think you guys are going to like, and we're going to do something really cute with it. We're going to include the whole family in this adventure. Then the next thing that you can get on our website, as I knock my little rainbow over, I'm so excited, is this gray apron. So this apron is really, really fun. It's an adult size apron, but you could totally tie it and make it a kid's apron if need be. This apron is super comfy, but you can sublimate on this or use HTV. So I'm going to show you how to do both things, and I just love this apron. The pocket's really big. This, I actually have one of these already that has a quote about pizza on it, and I do wear it, and it's really, really comfortable. So I'm excited for this because this is going to be a really nice project. And again, if you needed it to fit a kid, you could tie it up a little bit to make it fit a child. It would work. But we did decide to go with the adult size. That way it was a little bit more inclusive in sizing. Now we're going to get into some of the things that are going to be exclusive to the box. So this right here is technically labeled a placemat. It's a little bit small for a placemat. So we are going to use this to make a little design for our food table. What I love about this is it's going to make a great little protector for anything that you would put on your table. This again can be used with HTV or sublimation. I love it. It's so soft. A lot of times I find some of these types of things are very rough feeling, but this is really soft. It's kind of a more of a natural color versus the pure white, and I think that's going to look really pretty with our designs. The next exclusive that we have to the box, which hopefully we'll be able to carry on the site soon, are these adorable pet bandanas. We've given you guys a small and a large, and again, these can be sublimated on or used with HTV, and I love these. They're so cute. You guys watch me enough to know I love pets. I have many of them. I have a dog, 2 guinea pigs, and 5 cats. So you know people in my house are going to be wearing these. You know it's going to happen. So I'm excited to do these. They're really cute. Again, very soft feeling. I feel like these are going to be very comfortable. And what I like about these ones is they slip through the collar. So these are not a tie bandana. These are a collar bandana, which I prefer. I find them to be a lot safer, especially if you're going to put them on a cat. You want to make sure your cat has a breakaway collar on just in case, because cats get into small spaces, they play, they can get stuck in their collar. And what I love about this is you can have your cat wear it, and if they get stuck, the collar will break away, so it's much safer. And they're so comfortable. I think they're going to be really cute, and I can't wait to show you those. And last but not least is something that I got inspired by thanks to my mother-in-law, and we love to try wine, and we thought, wouldn't it be fun if we had a wine glass marker? So this wine glass marker can be used 2 different ways. You can either attach it around the stem and have it sitting flat, or you can put it into the cup like this, and so it'll sit with the stem on the outside, and then it'll sit just on the top of the cup. So if you're not drinking from it and you just want to make sure your cup is saved, you can just stick this right on top, and if you want to drink from it, you just put this on the bottom. We're going to do some really cool stuff with this one, and I'm really excited about it. If you guys love this, let 143 Vinyl know, and maybe it's something they can start carrying on the website in other shapes and sizes as well. I just thought this was a really fun thing that you guys could add to your little decor pieces. And as you see, I kind of stuck with a theme here. I've got a nice little leaf. You'll see in all of the SVG designs that they're all kind of matching. They all stick with the same general aesthetic because I wanted this to be a Thanksgiving dinner party. This is going to be a fun box. I cannot wait to make all these fun crafts with you guys. I'm so excited. And thank you again so much for all of your love and support and everything else over these last almost 4 years. I can't believe that it's been almost 4 years. This is, I think, mystery box number 3 for me. And I am so excited to continue to make you guys mystery boxes. So if you want to see more, let me know in those comments down below. Let me know what you want to see in a mystery box. Is there something you really, really loved that you've seen me do that you'd love to see in a mystery box because you want one? Just let me know. I am willing to do what you guys want. I got a lot of these ideas from you guys as well from the last time I asked. So I want to make sure that you love these boxes as much as I do. So thank you guys so much for joining me for the Thankful for You mystery box unboxing. Now be sure to download the SVGs at the website listed on the paper that you got with your box. It's got all the information for our list of times and everything for the tutorials that'll be coming out every day. So you have the unboxing, and then for the next 7 days, you're going to have a video every single day at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get started on these crafts. All right, guys, I hope you guys have so much fun making these. If you make anything from my mystery box, be sure to tag me. You can tag me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all the places. So I want to see what you have made. And if you haven't joined my Facebook group, make sure that you do. That's listed down below. That will get you in there and you can share your creations there. Share them in the 143 Vinyl group. We want to see what you make. All right, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day and happy crafting.